All right, yet another one done. Direct sunlight, black BMW. One system, Ceramacrylix Pro Hybrid coating system. Looks amazing. Got the wheels, the barrels, all the paint, the glass, headlights, taillights, the trim in the front I sprayed with the Universal Coating Pro, and then Ultra Endurance Max Coat Pro went on everything afterwards. Looks great. If you guys got questions, let me know. It's 813-846-4406. Thanks for your trust and support, and thanks for watching these videos. But yeah, direct sunlight, not generally my recommendation for any coating, but I want to just show you guys that it is possible if you're in a pinch. If you have a coating business or a detailing business, you can definitely get things done in direct sunlight. Especially with my products, they're developed in Florida for Floridians to fight the sun, fight the heat, fight the UV rays, all that kind of stuff. It does look amazing. The newly developed high spot leveler that I'll be offering with my pro packages, I probably won't release it as a new product just because most people won't need it, especially if you're not doing coatings in the sun. It does aid in removal of the high spots or leveling them out. The cool part is the technology in it is you're not taking anything away, you're just removing the bulk from an area, and the product spreads it around so that it's clear and even. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.